Executive Director Michelle Balconi is invaluable with her expertise and knowledge, and the Harbor Media team is top-notch. My film project is in the best hands. The reason why I'm doing this film is because my last film that I still show to schools, students will ask a question at the end of the film. One of the questions that keeps coming up is vaping marijuana better for them? And it's, as I tell the students, no, it's horrible for your brains. And then I've, come to the realization a new film needed to be done. So lucky me, Hingham Police School Resource Officers Tom Ford and Rob Ramsey worked with me, and they are a joy to work with. Their passion, knowledge comes through, and they are a huge asset to the community. They help educate students and parents and everyone in the community. Officer Rob Ramsey does an excellent job with the junior high teaching the DARE program, and Officer Tom Ford at the Hingham High School is a strong presence working with the kids and helping them when they have problems and issues.
The reason I became a police officer is has a lot of factors. Of course, to give back to the community, to help people. Every day is different, and I kind of grew up in the environment per se. My next door neighbor when I was younger was a Boston police officer. My grandfather was a court officer for Suffolk Superior Court, and my dad was a probation officer for the Plymouth County. So I kind of grew up surrounded by people. Plus, I got cousins and uncles who are Boston PD and state police, so I kind of fell into it.
The reason why I became a police officer is for a few reasons. I'm third generation in this town to work in the town of Hingham. My grandfather was the superintendent of tree and parks for many years, and my father worked for the Hingham Fire Department, retiring as a lieutenant as well. So I really felt I didn't have a choice but to serve my town proudly and also kind of follow in my family's footsteps. Personal reasons why I became a police officer is I had a brother who struggled with substance abuse and actually passed away my senior year in high school. And I wanted to have purpose and try to give back in some way, because I know the police and the responders to that call were huge in helping my family. And I wanted to give back and maybe help prevent things like that happening in the future. So personal reasons why I do it.